Good morning. It's a lovely morning here in Kendal in the Lake District. My name's Damien Turner. I'm the Managing Director of Fuel Exhausts, and seeing as we're in lockdown, I thought I'd like to show my customers around my workshop and what I do. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, got a couple of bikes outside with obviously fuel exhaust on them. This is my workshop, small and compact. I've been making exhausts for 25 years now. I used to have hair when I first started, not much anymore. Basically, we have a lot of tubes here. These are all the raw materials. Everything I buy is from the UK. Everything is manufactured here by myself in this workshop. So there's a bit of stock there, a few end caps on the shelves, getting a bit low now. Thought I'd show you around some of the machines. It's probably not really interesting to too many people. Drill press, got the end former, all the end forming tools just underneath here. We also have the new Duke 790 in, which I'm just making a decap pipe for and a can link pipe. Kindly supplied by Neil at dmotorsport.co.uk. If there's anything KTM, on-road, off-road, give Neil a call. He's a great guy to deal with. Okay, we've got tube bender, good old-fashioned British machinery. I've had this for years. Can't beat it. It's great. An old folding machine. Now I fold all my brackets. Got some big old British fly presses here, Big Bertha. That's how I press all the things, fold them and press things together. Got a couple of more fly presses there. We've also got, since we no longer do polishing, we now blast everything. Glass cabinet from Gyson, another good British company. I make all my own tools. All my parts pretty much. This is the lathe where I just do turning down all the parts that I might need. Don't leave the key in the chuck. So anything I need I can make while I'm here. I don't need to send anything out. This is my welding bench. Welders, sanders, seam welder just there, which I made myself. Yeah, we've got a bit of tooling underneath the bench here, all made by myself. Like I say, British manufacturing, 25 years experience, everything made here by myself. A lot of people think we're a massive company. We're not. This is me, this is what I do, this is what I love to do. And I hope you've enjoyed the tour. If there's anything else you'd like to see, we've got a bit of stock there of tube and things like that. Just thought while it's on lockdown it would be quite interesting just to have a look round. Thanks for popping in and have a great day. Goodbye.